Alright, this thing is called the Abomination. It's about 5.5 feet tall. It's got a double-handed grip for being able to hold it, but it's a little heavy. And the crazy thing is, mostly it's made out of aluminum, so it's not as heavy as it could be. But yeah, you run it. I turn it on. A little crazy, right? Yeah. Yeah, but this thing will actually cut through logs. I'll take some pictures and I'll add it to the video. But you want to take a look how it functions and it's made. This is the deal. It's corded right now, and I want to replace this, which is just an angle grinder motor, with a battery-powered one. So that way it's not tethered, because right now it's actually powered by a cable. But overall, it's pretty cool. I like it. Scare the shit out of anybody. Out of anybody. Yeah.
Rising in the night, electric hum ignites the fight as the strikes a gleaming spark. In the shadows I embrace the dark. This abomination roars and screams. 5-foot chainsaw saw fulfills my dream. Feel of our service. As I start to merge, mechanical rage, the world's decayed. Through twisted matter my path is laid. Teeth of iron, sharp and true, I carve my fate as I break through. Watch me tear these chains apart. With every swing I own my heart. No more fear, I'm standing strong. In this chaos I belong.